Hello there, I am Applebee. I am here to have fun with you while we learn. Come, let's sing my song together. Hello, I'm your friend Applebee. We'll have fun together, just you and me. We'll learn our letters and our numbers too. We'll learn our colors red, green and blue. So let's get started, do come along. Let's clap and sing the Applebee song.
Let us learn about young ones. Cat, kitten. Cow, calf. Horse, foal. Duck, duckling. Goat, kid. Sheep, lamb. Hen, chicken. Pig, piglet. Dog, puppy. Deer, fawn. Lion, cub. Camel, calf. Answer the following questions. What is the young one of a cat called? The young one of a cat is called a kitten. What is the young one of a cow called? The young one of a cow is called a calf. What is the young one of a horse called? The young one of a horse is called a foal. What is the young one of a duck called? The young one of a duck is called a duckling. What is the young one of a goat called? The young one of a goat is called a kid. What is the young one of a sheep called? The young one of a sheep is called a lamb. What is the young one of a hen called? The young one of a hen is called a chicken. What is the young one of a pig called? The young one of a pig is called a piglet. What is the young one of a dog called? The young one of a dog is called a puppy. What is the young one of a deer called? The young one of a deer is called a fawn. What is the young one of a lion called? The young one of a lion is called a cub. What is the young one of a camel called? The young one of a camel is called a calf.